Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and get started with T3 Arena on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's type. In the search box, type in T3 Arena. In the search result, look for the T3 Arena from XD Entertainment Pte Limited and then tap on the install or the get button to download the app. Now, wait for the couple of minutes until your application gets downloaded. Once the download is finished, you can tap on the open button, which should appear right underneath the game's name, and that should be able to help you download T3 Arena on your smartphone. Just make sure that your mobile device's operating system is updated to the latest version to enjoy all of the features without any issue. That's how you can easily install and get ready to start playing T3 Arena. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.